listen to a new music, make new friends, try to think your way to the top. Have you ever woken up and felt like life is just repeating itself? What I mean is that you waking up to the same sound of alarm every morning, rushing to meet up with the time of your work every morning, and then for those who work in the internet, scrolling the internet till midnight. See, that is not living. That is just you surviving, and the frustration you feel most at the time is your creativity struggling to get oxygen. I believe every mind has a goal in it, but cultivating the habit of positive good protein fuels it to blossom even more. Today, promise yourself one thing, which is I will break free of one small habit that is not taking me forward. Today, listen to a new music, make new friends, try to think your way to the top. Believe me or not, that is how creativity can wake up inside of you.